Hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Hyderabad.
Alright. So guys, good afternoon. Another one sa Hyderabad, din sa Banawa. And we're gonna enjoy some Indian food. Sakto?
Sakto!
So-
Yes sir!
So, tanya, sa may lami ito eh.
Special na mo sir, biryani.
Biryani.
Okay, bestseller, mutton, biryani. Wala siya mga...
Kung first timer ka, kung may lain mong pwede mo order.
Kung first time,
Oh, labi na.
pupunta ka sa vegetable, samosa baron.
Mo ni mga kuan.
Mo na kasagaran.
So, kamong duha, do you have any favorites? Dire ka mo, personal favorite mo?
Ako, personal ako sa chicken samosa.
Imo?
And ako sir is fried rice. Kami ka ng fried rice.
Wow. So, karon mag-enjoy tag Indian cuisine. So, tanawa ni, if you wanna learn more about Hyderabad, Banawa. So hi guys, we're here at Hyderabad and kuyog na ko karon ang mga chefs behind sa mga dami na pagkaon na nas lamisa karon. So muna nas lamisa ha. Alright. So muna si Chef Bless ug Chef Miko. Ano ninyong gi-serve karon?
That one is the half special biryani. Kana
Okay.
siya is chicken, boneless chicken cut into boti. Then
Okay.
it is sauteed with onion, syempre, chicken, and then all together with the 21 spices. Kanang spices na mo is exported from India good na siya.
Wow.
So makaingon good ta nga kanang pure Indian cuisine good ni siya.
Mhm.
Oh.
So Chef Juan Bless unsam ning usa kani?
So this is chicken samosa.
Okay. So what's inside? Oh.
The suit ana is chicken fillet. Then slice it. Then timpla na siya inana. Then it's like samosa here in Philippines. I mean in empanada.
Empanada na to. Oh,
Yes.
so it's the Indian version.
Yeah.
And Chef Mike, unsan man sa ding usa kaning
That is a mutton curry.
right, curry ha. So unsan nang moton ba? Para makabaw sila unsan
Ano
na?
siya? Sa India, it's like a lamb.
Lamb.
Lamb good siya. Dili lang siya. It's like lamb good na
So
siya.
bata na kuan. Oh shit. So
Mura
and
gihapon ang among process gihapon sa with onion. Then with our special spices, secret spices.
oh, wow. And that's important really
Oh.
from India, right?
And
So
syempre ang among pinakalami nga gravy.
wow.
Kami ray gahimo gud ana.
So inyo gina.
Amo agud ng recipe tanan.
So may Chef Bless, balik na sa kunimo. So unsa ni mga tulo ka klaseng
So
pan?
kani jud like para sa mga Indian like mauna ni ilang rice pero there is ato like bread ni siya.
Mhm. So
So we
magsuot
have
ani.
here so we have here the plain roti.
Okay.
Then we have here the disigi with cow's oil.
Cow's oil na ha,
Yes.
na cow's
Then
oil.
here is the butter roti.
Mhm. So kamong duha namgid mo is di ba kana mga recommended dishes din yo, di ba? So unsa may mga chefs recommendation there is especially kana mga Cebuano na, you know, di pa kayo familiar sa Indian food.
Sa ako good i-recommend ang among top selling nga special chicken biryani. Kay maugod na ang among signature dish din sa Hyderabad. Then also kanang you should try the paneer butter masala. It is a homemade cottage cheese. Kami gahimo sa dana. Tanan recipe tanan namong ginabutang diha is pure Indian yun siya.
Wow. Ikaw, chef?
So we have a mutton curry. So we have also mutton biryani.
Oh, so
together with the
kanang
rice. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So mao na
one.
mo ma-recommend.
Yes.
And finally, invite them, you know, dire and asa ni Dapita and what days are you open and time and days.
Okay, so we are located at our Duterte Street, right across First Autogas, Banawa, near Maham School. Sa ilado niya ang Hyderabad din. So we are inviting you na mag-dine in din sa Samoa. para makatilaw mo og pure Indian cuisine.
So we are open 10 to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alin na mo dire para makatry mo kung sa among actually daghan mi kayog mga menu, daghan mga pagkaon na gali wala pa ninyo natilawan. So alin na mo para matry ninyo ang Hyderabad Dine-In.
So guys, finally na-introduce na ang mga dishes. So kay ba naman sa isunod, diba? Dapat mga una, it's time to eat. Kung before mo mukhaon, of course, manghunaw gid mo, and good thing like you say, hunawanan diri ba yo, nara. Manghunaw ta. So guys, ligang gigay ko sa Hyderabad ba? Because you know what, napadilaan din siya na. It's like promo, if you eat no 1,000 worth na Hyderabad, nakalibreng basic wash sa car wash. Oh, so di ba perfect yun kayo na magpa-car wash na ka. Kaan pa maglami. Kuan kay cool kayo. And by the way, watch out for my vlog about the use of Sheko car wash kay, you know, alingaw sa kuan ni na car wash kay kuan sad. Mali, lingaw na kay naniduol na kananhan plus, you know, maayos din ang service, limpyo kayong auto. So watch out for it. But pagkaon, of course, when it comes to Indian food, lamig, you know, one of the best is Hyderabad, especially if you want to be introduced to, you know, what Indian food is all about. It's one of the most popular cuisines in the world, pero you know, pero usahay foreign pa kay kina sa mga Cebuano, but Hyderabad is basically bridging that gap na maila-ila sa atua ang you know, lami na Indian food. And nag-enjoy gid mi dire. You know, the samosas really, you know, murag nindot kay na murag bridge dish ba na murag mag-connect sa what's familiar and what's Indian, because it's like their own version of empanada. It has a meat inside and a crust na bread. So murag yes, that's like so familiar but different, diba? And of course, biryani, isa nilang rice. It's just, you know, they're using the long grain rice. And rice is just atong rice. But it's just like chicken and rice, gyapon. Pero medyo spicy lang ang flavorings. And of course, the curry, of course, we've met some curries, but if you wanna taste what's really curry gid na with Indian spices, na sila, and they can even make it really spicy, like Indian spicy for you. So, mana, if you crave for Indian food, check out Hyderabad. Indian Cuisine. They are also in, you know, on the major apps like Food Panda, naagi na sila diha, and other, you know, food delivery apps. So, watch out, try it out. Let me know what your favorites here. Kay gamay pa ako ng tilawan, so ako mo tilaw sad sa uban. Let me know what you can recommend for me here, and you know, let's support our local entrepreneurs who are employing a lot of people. Balik na tag-dine-in or padayon lang hipon mo order kung di pa mo ganahan mo gawas or mag-take out mo. Di ba? So mana, tinabangay lang yun ta. And yeah, keep on supporting local businesses because mo gina fastest way to recovery kung magtinabangay ta. So mana guys, thank you so much for watching and let me know where should I eat next. Bye bye bye.